Are you an existing business owner or someone who's looking to go into business and you want to learn how to prepare your taxes that you can just hand it over to your accountant and they can file your taxes for you? Today, I'm going to show you how to do that. Also, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can keep up with all the vlogs that I drop. And I am going to show you how to do this right now. Let's go. Taxes is an issue when it comes to business. A lot of people start a business and they don't think about taxes until it's time to file your taxes. If you're going into business, this is a no-no because it's going to cost you a lot of money. First, I'm going to show you what you need with the type of business you own. So if you own a corporation, you have to get a CPA. If you have an LLC, you can use a tax preparer, but that can be tricky too. If it's just you on that LLC and you're the only employee, then you can use a tax preparer. But always remember, a tax preparer just prepare taxes. They are not a CPA, but if it's just you on your taxes, you can use a tax preparer to file your taxes. Now you can see right here, I have envelopes. Now remember, these envelopes are the old school way of doing things, and I just like the old school way because I get a lot of gas receipts and it can be tricky when filing that deduction on your taxes. Now I'm going to show you why. When you go to the gas station and you're getting gas and you're buying other things in there, you can get a deduction on the gas. If you have your gas receipt on everything else you bought and you swipe your business debit card, they are only going to see a total. It's not going to have it itemized. So which item was gas? Now remember, you got to go 12 months. So you telling me you get gas every day all through the year, you're going to remember every day all through the year how much out of that receipt was gas? No, you're not. So that's why every time you go in the gas station, pay for your gas separate. Make sure you collect your gas receipt and make sure you pay for your gas separate from everything. And that will save you a headache when it's time to file your taxes the next following year. Now, with these envelopes, this is what I want you guys to do. I want you to label each one from January to December. Now, if you are a new business owner and you just started your business, you can label it when you started paying for things for your business, not when you start making a profit. I wouldn't care if you didn't get your business license until 2 months later. If you bought things for that business, you can still claim it on your taxes months in advance. So saying, okay, it's June, I just started a new business, but I'm not licensed or anything, but I am buying products to start this new business. I can still start my taxes and my savings right now in these envelopes. Now these envelopes are to keep up with your taxes. Now, I also tell everyone, before you even get started, you may not even have a business account if you are a new business owner. So you are paying things out of your personal account or you paying things cash. Save those receipts and put every one of those receipts in these envelopes. Now, to make all this easy, I want you guys to go out to an Office Depot or to any office place and buy you a tax book. Inside that tax book, it has an itemized list for you for gas, lights, rent, etc. So that will help you with your monthly. This is like having your monthly business statement on what you brought in and your loss. So if you made profit, this is going to show you your profits and this is going to show you your loss. So once you do that, you got your book, you got this ready. Okay, June is gone. At the end of the month, you now go through these receipts and you go into your tax book it's already itemized. Now, if you have receipts like, okay, you bought a new vehicle for the business and an alternator went out, so you had to buy an alternator, you can put that in your tax books under miscellaneous. So you can just put that number there, along with all the miscellaneous items you have for your business, so you can keep up with what it is, because you'll have receipts for that, because you want to claim that on your taxes so you can get that deducted off of what you brought in, so you can save money. Now, it's going to have rent, gas, lights, everything in that book. So for that month, you're going to get all the receipts, you're going to calculate them up, you're going to put down what was gas, you're going to put down what was rent, what was this, what was that. Then you're going to get your profits. What did you bring in? That's another thing. So anything that you bought for that business, you're deducting it. I don't care what it is. If it was, okay, if you own a clothing store and you went out and you bought merchandise for that clothing store, you want to have those receipts in there as well, because that's going to be deducted and you're going to get your total, what you brought in, after you do all this. So once you do all this, you will get your total. Okay, this is what I spent out. All right, now you'll go through what you brought in. So you'll calculate up everything that you brought in, and then you will put that number down and you will put both numbers together. Now, once you do that, you're going to take what you spent out and you're going to deduct it from the profits. Then once you deduct it from the profits, you now see what you brought in for your business. See how easy that was? It's very easy. But anyways, so once you do that, for that month, you're going to begin to do it for every month until December. Once December comes, you already have everything put together for your CPA or for your tax preparer. So now when you're going in, remember this. If you have employees, they are deducted as well. So if you're paying a payroll company to do your employment taxes and everything, you would just take those totals from every month and you will add that in your book as well, because that's a business expense. Everything is a business expense if you're spending it on that business, so everything get deducted out of the total. So each month you'll have a total of your loss and your profit. Now you can be able to hand that to your accountant and look through your book, making sure everything is good before he files it. But guess what he don't have to do? He don't have to prepare your taxes for you, because that's where they make a lot of money at. And that's where I'm saving you money at today. You don't want to pay an accountant to go through all your receipts from every month, because a lot of people, what they do is they would put their receipts in a bag or in a box, and they'll just hand it to their accountant. They'll hand them what they brought in that year, and they'll be like, do my taxes. Now guess what? If he was only filing your taxes, you will be only probably paying $450 or to $800. Now you will have to pay him to prepare your taxes, because you didn't do that. He have to do it, so he's going to charge you thousands of dollars. So if you don't want to pay thousands of dollars, you better do what I just said. Prepare your own taxes and save all that money. Because if you are a new business owner, or if you're a small business and you only been in business a year or so, you know what I'm talking about. You don't want to be giving him $2,000 and some dollars, and then you are already paying out so much to run your business, and then by the time you look at your profits, you're looking at, golly, he just took $2,000 out of that. I could have used that $2,000. That's why you prepare your taxes on your own. Now I'm doing a vlog about how to do your sales tax. Sales tax is a totally different ball game when it comes to selling products, printing, I don't care what it is. If you are dealing with the public and they're buying your products, and some services are taxable. So in your state, you got to find out what services are taxable, because you have to pay taxes on that. So besides you paying the taxes, your customers gonna come in to pay the taxes, and that's what you're gonna file monthly or quarterly, and I will show you how to do that in another vlog. Now, if you haven't seen my vlog on how to start a business with no money, in the description below, it's there. Click on it, go watch it. I'm here to teach you guys what? Business. Thank you for watching this vlog. Also remember, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can keep up with all my vlogs. See you guys later.